Hi everybody, thank you for joining us again. This is the final touch self-quarantine videos to keep me busy. So I have another centerpiece to show you, another one with a round fishbowl, because I like to do things in batches, I guess. So, okay, so yeah, so again I set up the base already, but we're going to do this one with just the big fishbowl. And we're going to put a pillar candle on the inside for that light effect. And then you're going to put glass beads all the way around the inside. And you want to put the candle in first. Because you want the glass beads to fill up around the candle. Sorry about that. Alright, so you want to go a little bit up midway. Then we're going to use these purple jewels to add a little touch of color. Fill up the top rim. Alright. And you still want a few of the glass beads showing through, just to kind of look like rocks. Now you can use actual rocks instead if you want to add more like a beachy look to this type of centerpiece, and use sand instead of the purple. And then we're going to put some purple flowers in. This centerpiece is nice if you have a small table or a few people at the table and you don't want the centerpiece in anyone's eyesight or eye line. Now this one does call for quite a few of the glass bolter holders around the piece, just to pull out that color. Okay, just like that. And it's nice to use wildflowers that are local to the area, because it does give that spring wildflower look. Thank you for watching Final Touch videos. Let us know if we can show you anything special. Thanks.